Hey guys, so bumalik na ulit ang Animazing North sa SM North EDSA, and for this particular event, they brought in solo leveling, which is one of the hottest animes ngayon, and ang dami nating actually makikita sa North EDSA. This is going to run this July sa The Block, and as you can see, may mga areas kayo na pwede kang magpa-picture and you can do your Instagram posts. Particularly dito sa gitna, when you enter, meron din tayo mga area for specific parts ng anime and from the manhwa, which is like ito yung frozen area with the standees for a bunch of the characters from the series. Meron ding mga display areas and then meron mga activation areas where you can take photos and emulate kung anong ginawa dun sa anime series, where you can choose may skill wheel dito. You can choose your powers, you can choose your specific, and you can do your poses. Siyempre, pinaka the best dito is pag pumunta ka na naka-costume ka, which is really good. And also, ito meron pa isa dito for notification. Ito yung ginagawa ni Jinwoo araw-araw, push-ups, sit-ups, squats, running. It's also a healthy reminder kung ano dapat gawin natin. And we've got our cosplayer friends, si Prince, si Roxanne, si Zach, and si Aoi. Roxanne, I didn't actually really notice until late na nung kinausap ako. Si Zach was awesome as usual. Si Aoi and Prince, always the greatest when they're doing their cosplay. Ito pa, I'm gonna show you the other display areas na pwede kayo magpa-picture. This is for the White Knight, daggers. Ito yung isa pang mga set ng daggers. Although hindi mo sila pwedeng hawakan, you can just take pictures. Sa labas, meron din kayong hunter strength test for which is a punching bag. Meron din kayong mga makukuha mga items there, which is really nice. Meron ding pop-up store from Geek PH. May mga acrylic sets kayo makakuha doon. Meron din kayong mga plushies na I'm very fond of. Tuwan-tuwa sa plushies nila dito. May mga bags din na official merch. Ayan na yung mga plushies na sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. And medyo nakaka-tempt pero wala na akong space, pero gusto ko itong na to. Yung dagger medyo cute din siya. And eto pa, syempre hindi mawawala ang Funko Pop. So yung first release set ng Funko Pops ng is here thanks to Geek PH. And ayan yung mga characters. I'm gonna show you some of the characters here. Oy! Kilala ko yun And then also, and as usual, meron din silang mga setup for National Bookstore. Merong solo leveling books there. I think it's around 500 to 600 pesos if I'm not mistaken. So kuha na rin kayo dyan if you want to start your collection. Overall, meron din mga t-shirts dyan from SM Store. Pero I do suggest you visit the SM The Block, SM City North EDSA. And yun lang, like and follow for more.